Hi, this is Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the January 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Illuminate. I know we're all hoping 2021 will be a brighter year. The first thing you see when you open up your crate is this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. Next up, we have this month's art print. This is by Jess Goals of Teacher Goals, and it says, "Teachers make the world bright." And you'll see a few more pieces inspired by her in this month's crate too. Next, we have one of this month's wearable items. Whenever we feature earrings, we also include another wearable item just in case your ears aren't pierced. These are clay handmade earrings by Clay by Kay Ray. And they are black clay hexagons with gold flecks, super on trend. And not sure if I said these are nickel free as well. Next, we have this month's stationery item. This is a set of 5 highlighters, and these are strawberry scented. They are from Uli, and as you can see, they are pastel colors. Next, we have these fairy lights. So when you get these, you're gonna pull out this clear tab, and that just activates the battery, and then they turn on like this. And I already have a string of them unwound here. What's nice about these is they're wire, so you can kind of bend it into whatever shape you want. These would look super cute along a bulletin board or even kind of bundled up in a glass jar for some decor. And what's nice is these do not need to be plugged in because they're battery operated. Okay, next, our other wearable item I mentioned, this is a pin, and this is artwork from Teacher Goals. And just trying to get it off the card here. You can see it's this watercolor light bulb, and it is on stainless steel. Okay, next we have one of this month's Bath and Beauty items. This is the Multi-Tastic Barrier Hydrating Facial Moisturizer from Ducom Skincare. It is a long name because it can do a lot of stuff. So this comes off, and then you can see it as kind of a balm consistency. You can use this just as a regular moisturizer, or you can use it as a primer, which is what I've been using it as. And it's also great for just kind of chapped winter skin or from, wearing a mask all the time. Next up, I'm really excited about this item. This is a set of 12 mini masks from Masquerade. And they are in these adorable little crystal shapes. So you can apply these just to different problem areas. And like I said, there are 12 of them. Last, we have this month's treat. This is Glow Tea from the brand Tea Drops, but these are actually tea sprinkles. So it's not a tea bag. It is finely ground tea that dissolves directly in your cup. This is caffeine free, so totally fine to drink at night or if you're sensitive to caffeine. And it is a glowing blend of hibiscus, rosehip, cinnamon, and tart cherry. So in addition to tasting delicious, it's also supposed to help your skin glow. So that's everything that comes in the 2021 January crate. So again, you've got your Glow Tea sprinkles, your crystal clear mini masks, your Multi-Tastic Barrier from Ducom Skincare, your light bulb pin, your fairy lights, set of 5 pastel highlighters. You've got your handmade clay earrings, your art print, and of course just your info card. So that is the January 2021 Illuminate Crate. If you are not already signed up, you can head to Teacher Care Crate to subscribe. To get this crate, you'll need to subscribe by January 14th, but sooner is always better in case we sell out. Thanks for watching.